In English, we use the phrase going to when we talk about future plans or intentions. When we want to say that something will not happen or that we do not plan to do something, we use the negative form of going to. For example, I am not going to go means that the person has decided not to do the action in the future. Another example is, they are not going to come, which shows that the action will not take place. To make a negative sentence with going to, we place the word not after the verb to be, which includes am, is, or are. For example, I am not going to watch television means the person will not watch television in the future. She is not going to eat dinner shows that she refuses or decides not to eat. They are not going to come today means they have chosen not to come. When we compare affirmative and negative forms, the meaning changes completely. For instance, I am going to visit my friend means there is a plan to do it in the future. But I am not going to visit my friend means the plan was canceled or the person decided not to go. Adding not simply changes a future intention into a decision not to act. In everyday spoken English, contractions are used to make sentences sound natural and fluent. Instead of saying I am not, we usually say I'm not. Instead of saying they are not, we say they aren't. For example, I'm not going to go means the same as I am not going to go. They aren't going to come means they are not going to come. These shorter forms help make speech sound smoother. The general pattern for making negative sentences with going to is simple. Start with the subject, then use am, is, or are, followed by not, then going to, and finally the base form of the verb. For example, he is not going to play football. This structure is the same for all subjects, only the form of the verb to be changes depending on the subject. Now let us look at a few examples that show how the negative form changes the meaning. When we say, I am not going to study tonight, it means the decision has already been made not to study. She isn't going to help him means she has no intention to give help. Using the negative form clearly shows that something will not happen in the future. Here are some more examples to understand how going to in the negative form works. We are not going to travel next month means the travel plan was canceled. He is not going to buy a new phone means he decided against buying one. I am not going to call them tonight means there is no plan to contact them. They are not going to join the meeting shows that the group will not participate. Now practice by changing affirmative sentences into their negative forms using going to. For example, I am going to visit my grandparents becomes I am not going to visit my grandparents. She is going to bake a cake changes to she is not going to bake a cake. They are going to play soccer becomes they are not going to play soccer. Adding not after the verb to be is the key rule to form the negative structure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.